Keep loading the bauxite into this truck first.
The pressure reading is holding steady at 40 psi. Noted. Let's check the flow rate next.
The temperature is stabilizing now. Good, keep an eye on that gauge.
The temperature readings are holding steady right there. Yes, but look at the cooling rate on the display board.
Keep the temperature steady on zone 3.
Acknowledged. Maintaining parameters.
The tension on sector 3 looks good.
Yeah.
Agreed. The feed rate is stable.
The output looks good, consistent quality.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm logging it now.
Keep an eye on the output chute.
Yeah,
Looks good from here.
The dimensions look correct on this one.
yeah.
Yes, the trim is precise.
The pressure gauge is holding steady right here.
Yeah.
Good. Let's maintain this flow rate. The pressure looks good here. Yeah, the rinsing seems effective.
The blue registration seems to be drifting slightly.
Yeah.
Yes, I see it. We should adjust the guides.
The sensor array looks good.
Huh?
Yeah, readings are stable. I'm logging the data now.
Scan the new batch.
Done. The stack is complete.
We need to move the pallets on level 3 by Tuesday.
All right, bring it straight back. Right there, you got it.
You got it.
Looks good, lock it down.